here's how to contact Robinhood support. So you're going to need to go to your menu. That'll be in your profile here down in the lower right, and then go up to the menu. Scroll down a little bit and you're going to find Robinhood support here toward the bottom. Now when we click on that, it's going to give us a couple of options here. Like you can go to the help center, you can look at your support chats that you've had before. There's also disclosures here, and then you can contact support here at the bottom. So when you click on contact support, that's going to open up a new support chat, and you can type in any issue that you're having and it's going to help you, even if it's just to give you a way to contact them or to be able to basically give you the answers you need. Like for instance, if your address changed, you can say change address, and then it's going to walk you through the steps to do that. If your name changed, it's going to walk you through the steps and documents that you need to submit. So this is a helpful little support system here, and that's how you can contact Robinhood support.